Good howdy, folks. Welcome back to another James Blackburn experience. This is where I am today. Decided to come over to the nature center today to see if we can get some wildlife sightings. There's a great pond here with a wall for viewing that hides you, so we're gonna go down and take a look. Alright, today's video is gonna be pretty short because I got a lot of work to do back at the office, but I thought I'd get out this morning, quick walk, and some nature viewing, so it's gonna be great. Alright, to get to this hiking area in Albuquerque, you need to take Rio Grande Boulevard to Candelaria, and then you go west on Candelaria and you can't miss it. Love these big cottonwood trees down here. They're always amazing to me. Look at the size of this thing. Okay, right here is one of those walls I was telling you about where you can go and view the pond without disturbing the wildlife. Alright, here we go. Alright, see a lot of ducks out there right now. Not much else. Some ice on the pond here though, so it's definitely been cold enough for that to happen. This building over here is the nature center itself, so you can actually go inside there and learn a lot more. It's a couple doors that go into it. And of course, I always talk about the mountains in the background. Those are the Sandia Mountains, about 12 miles east of here. Another place that I hike a lot. Matter of fact, on my birthday a couple weeks ago, I did a crest hike along the top of that thing. Alright, folks, appreciate you watching. I'm sorry for such a short video, but I got to get back to the office and get some work done. So as usual, love, love, hate, hate, and take care of each other.